News, Nairobi.
Meanwhile, the Kenya Medical Practitioners and Dentists Board came under fire from the Parliamentary Committee on Health over the Kenyatta National Hospital surgery mix-up. MPs took issue with the board's preliminary verdict, which absolved the doctors and blamed the nurse involved in the mishap. Now, the board, however, says the report is not final and no one is off the hook yet, with further investigation set to be carried out by the Professional Conduct Committee.
With the Kenyatta National Hospital on the spot over a surgery mishap that saw doctors operate on the wrong patient, the Kenya Medical Practitioners and Dentists Board conducted an inquiry into the saga last Thursday and gave its verdict on Friday. A ruling that absolved 2 surgeons and laid the blame on nurse Mary Wahome, who was on duty.
The capability of one nurse, Mary Wahome, to work in specific units of the hospital needs to be considered by her regulator, the Nursing Council of Kenya.
The ruling was on Monday morning presented to the National Assembly's Committee on Health. MPs took issue with the board's decision.
Everyone who has come across the patient is responsible for anything that occurred to these patients. And that must be very clear. And that includes the doctors. Exonerations of doctors is one thing. The reason for that is another.
The MPs questioned the impartiality of the board when dealing with doctors.
So would anybody actually bother to come before your board? Because it seems all your cases are either dismissed or just taken lightly.
A likelihood, Chair, whereby we are in the same profession. It's just like sending a member of this committee to this committee to investigate. We'll definitely stand with our member.
I don't agree that this board's role is to protect doctors. In fact, there are doctors who feel that this board is not even protecting them. It's more protecting the public.
The board defended itself over its preliminary findings, saying further investigations are said to be carried out.
There is nobody who is off the hook. Even the doctors who are no case as far as PIC is concerned. Based on this information, the committee will have the mandate even to visit Kenyatta National Hospital.
And the issues that occurred, all these cadres had something to play. And maybe that is why we're actually pushing it for further inquiries so that to get this information. It comes out clearly.
The Professional Conduct Committee, which will have 14 days to carry out further investigations, will include, among others, 2 neurosurgeons and a member of the public.